Hello there. This brief video will demonstrate how to add downloadable resources to courses you want to sell on the Kahoot marketplace. First, let's navigate to our course. This could be an existing course or a new one you can create by selecting Course after clicking Create. For this demonstration, we'll edit an existing course. To add downloadable resources, click on the Settings icon located in the top right corner. Then, navigate to the Resources section. Click Add Resources and select a file from your device. Please note, you can upload a maximum of 10 PDF files, each not exceeding 10 megabytes. If you want learners to view and download the uploaded files, make sure to select the relevant checkboxes. You can add more files by clicking Add Resources again. At any point, you can click the 3 vertical dots to rename the file or remove it. It's important to remember that if a document is only added as an activity to your course, learners won't have the option to download it. To allow downloads, the same document needs to be uploaded here, in the Resources section. After adding the resources, click Done, then save your course. Once you enter your course details page and scroll down, you'll find the added files at the bottom. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your comments, thumbs up, and subscriptions. Enjoy Kahooting!